back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Alright,
hi guys, welcome back to Patois Chronicles. You don't know the thing sex to the six symbols and there, so yes of Jamaica, of course. So straight up another video now. Yes, school bag here in Jamaica. So watch this entire video now. Boom.
so guys, the first pan of deck is handbag. Here in Jamaica we say handbag or handbag. Some of us will say handbag, but handbag. So you come here, this is for back to school. You go to college. I used to bring a handbag with my my laptop bag. So if you don't bring a handbag or whatever, I work because this whole new back to school business teachers, you know the thing said, right? So then mama, you know see say I need a handbag, you know say. So, I don't know where you're going to part, but we can see what I'm going to say down at the English part of it now. So, if a pocket book or, I don't know, what to call them thing here? People, American, England, them people, come on. American, English, come on people. Me I talk call rubbish. What to call handbag? Is it handbag, pocket book, bag, either call that again, bag, free in Jamaica is handbag, man, or handbag or your bag. I don't want to say the word baggy because in Jamaica baggies are two different things. This is so devastating, people. I don't even know what to say, but tell me down, comment down below. Yes guys, comment down below and let me hear on the thoughts on it. Alright, so next panelist, ruler. Here in Jamaica, so you come here, you use a what you call them student there, foreign students, or you come in here and foreign exchange or whatever they call myself. Me no remember all them something. When you come in a Patois Chronicles, all my memories gone. Yes guys, so ruler. Here in Jamaica, me say I see ruler panelist, or ruler the panelist, or ruler pandilist. It all depends, and you will hear it like that, of course. But don't go and take up the dictionary now, guys, because ruler. So you hear the word ruler, they are not saying for you to go and get something to eat or as a dish or some sort of music. Ruler is the same as, you know, we're going to say it over the English part, alright? So you come here to Jamaica, I'm going to say, lend me a ruler. Pass a ruler, I want to draw one line right so you not come over my part, alright? And you come over my part, you don't see you're on the wrong side, you have to go back over this. So. And here in Jamaica, 14 parishes, might sound different. Remember, I'm a Kingstonian, and oftentimes people say, Nisha, I want to hear some deep patois. Guys, I can't go no deeper, man. I'm going deep enough. So guys, now the English part of this, as me say, ruler. So ruler. In a sentence, please can you get me a ruler? Can you lend me a ruler, please? Yes, at the same word, ruler. Alright, so my foreign students, yes, see the word, yeah, you see me tell you that God is a good God. See him giving back the stuff. Foreign student, come on in. Take your seat. The word is ruler. Jamaica, ruler. Alright, so don't fret yourself about nothing, don't worry about it. Come and have your luck. Alright, have your luck. So next panelist, lunch bag. Here in Jamaica, your lunch bag all like, you need a new you need a new lunch bag data. Your lunch bag only else. So guys, a lunch bag here in Jamaica, lunch bag. Alright, so everything. I'm gonna put 2 sandwich in my lunch bag because I bring some shrimps. I'm gonna look for KFC. I'm gonna put a KFC and bread from last night in my lunch bag for today lunch. I'm gonna put 2 little swimmers round in there because I was still for little minch pan, alright? So you come here in Jamaica, you hear us a lunch bag. Somebody use a lunch bag, you have an idea. Don't know where you're from. I'm just saying. And this is not patois thing, you know, guys. So listen to me. This is how we just call things. I just call things like this. So lunch bag in here, right? So not feel no way. Let us go over and see the English part now about this guy watching face. Yeah, get my lunch bag. Your lunch bag new. Watch it. Okay. Yes, guys. So is it lunch box or I don't know what you call it up there, so you know, so I don't know, but it's a lunch bag. Alright, so here in Jamaica, lunch bag. So you might say lunch box. Comment down below and tell me where in your part of the world where you call it. So I'm gonna put the face there because I don't know, alright? And you should say Nisha go and research. No, I want it to be fun to see if you're watching the video. Comment down in the comment section and let me know what you call lunch bag. Alright, yes guys, yes. I wanna enjoy it all the time. Guys, we're having storm out here, Grace. She out here, I can't go outside. Alright, so I do a little thing for sure. So I can't go outside. So make me the inside, I'm safe. Alright, you safe, make sure you're safe. Alright. So next panelist now. May I get a new school bag? May I get a new school bag? Yeah, get a new school bag? Yes, I'm gonna get a new school bag. Yes. Not for me, but for my daughter. Alright? May I get a new school bag? Yes, back to school. Here in Jamaica we call it school bag. Yes. School bag or what we call it here. So you come here to Jamaica here, you have somebody a foreigner, you have somebody there Jamaican, them call and say, can I beg you one school bag, or I'm gonna send a school bag for you, or a Jamaica bag or whatever, Jamaica school bag, because you like Jamaican things. We're exchanging gifts. So the school bag is simple, something like that. Alright, so comment down below and tell me what you call school bag over in your part of the world. Is it the same as school bag, or is it backpack as you see there in English language? Or English language, but in the English language that me, but I work in different countries, I want to you. But you know guys, you know what I'm talking about, man. Do not let this thing, is what we call it here, says a part of video, says the way we call things, or the way we say, look man, nobody judge me down there in the comment section. A Patois Chronicles. Alright, have a laugh and fun and laughter, and yes, have fun, enjoy it. Yes guys, yes, big up. So I take this time now to big up all my members, guys. Go and check them out, of course. Yes guys, and watch out my community page, you know, come and put them up there. And guys, when you don't see me, I put them up there, or down pa me doing the SEO, me have to search, you understand, make them name can pop up easy, because I'm good at that. Alright, so make it go back in my video now. So backpack, book bag, is that book bag? So next panelist now, rubber. Look, one thing with patois, you know, you see spelling, they spell it hard. Me said, guys, when you get for know it, you say, man, you're gonna love it. You have to, you have to own your own rubber. You see that Jamaica, they pick them, you call them rubbers. You hear me tell you, comment down below and say rubbers. Jamaican pick the name rubbers. You see, even me using a school system, yes, rubber done before the pencil. So guys, you come here in Jamaica, you hear them say rubber, at the same thing. Yes, a rubber we are talking about, and you guys know it as something else. When we reach over to the English part of it, yes guys, then I'm gonna know what we are talking about. But down here in Jamaica, nevertheless, you don't know, so the fun thing, fun, what is that? Is that part of a fun? No, it's not. Alright guys, so yes, rubber. So you have to have your own rubber. Alright, make sure that you have your very own. So how are you doing? Can I borrow your rubber? Let me a rubber. English to that. So it don't really matter how it stay, but guys, just remember that here in Jamaica, we're fun loving, we are so funny, and if you see we are giving like an attitude to it, let me a rubber, it not means we want to fight you. Alright, so see it in English now. See it here. I'm sure even say English, but see it here, maybe in your country you know it as eraser. Yes, eraser. Here in Jamaica you will find 1 and 2, one and two might say eraser, but let me a rubber. I want to rub out that word and I go rub it. Hey, I go rub up. Miss, let me a rubber. Miss me want rubber. Alright guys, so you see there now. Thank you very much. So Jesse, you need new eraser for school, right? Because guys, me have to buy one big jumbo one. Jessica go through eraser like how Jamaica's tax or rise. Alright. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video. It's the end of another Patois Chronicles. Remember, I must have check out my members. Yes guys, check. And yes guys, see you on Thursday at 6 p.m. Eastern time. And remember, morning glory at 6 a.m. Jamaican time. Bye.